Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley on Mac. The easiest method involves using a popular digital storefront like Steam. First, you'll want to ensure your Mac meets the game's basic system requirements. This will guarantee a smooth and enjoyable farming experience. Once confirmed, the process of purchasing and installing the game is quite straightforward, taking only a few minutes to complete. Before diving into your new farm, it's wise to quickly check your Mac's specifications. You'll need OS X 10.10 Yosemite or a more recent operating system. A 2 GHz processor and at least 2 GB of RAM are recommended for the best experience. Also, make sure you have about 500 megabytes of free storage for the game installation. This quick check prevents any potential performance issues. Now, let's get the game. First, download and install the Steam client application on your Mac. Once installed, open Steam and use the search bar to find Stardew Valley. Add the game to your shopping cart and proceed with the purchase using your preferred payment method. After a successful transaction, simply click the Install button to begin downloading the game directly to your Mac. With Stardew Valley installed, you're ready to play. Open the Steam application and navigate to your game library. You'll see Stardew Valley listed among your installed games. Simply click the prominent Play button to launch the game. Now you can begin your exciting journey, transforming your overgrown plot into a thriving farm and exploring all the charming secrets of Pelican Town. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.